Smart Response Connector for eduphoria Part 2. Creating the assessment. The second part of working with the Smart Response Connector for eduphoria will be creating the assessment within eduphoria School Objects Aware. This process, if you've worked with eduphoria on creating assessment, has not changed. The process is identical to how it's always been. I have already logged into eduphoria. Once I've logged in, I've gone into the Aware module, as you can tell with my logo here. I've come in, I've selected my tests, and I've clicked on Create a New Test. At this point, it has popped up my little assessment window. If you're creating all the test questions and everything within eduphoria, you may do that. I'm just going to do a quick test where all I'm doing is a simple multiple choice assessment. The students will have a paper copy of the test. So I'm going to create a quick test key. Next, go through the wizard. I will give this a title. This will be a smart demo. Select your grade level. I'm going to leave it as kindergarten. That'll make it easy for me to find. Next, choose your content area. So we're doing kindergarten, advanced economic studies. Number of questions, number of question responses. If you're doing short answer, you will set those at a later time. I won't be doing short answer ones with this assessment, but those are set at a later time. Next, I'll set my answer choices. Next, and I am finished. Simply click Finish to confirm, and it will tell me I am done. It will take me into an editing window. This is where you would go to set short answer or to modify your answers or anything else you may need to modify.